If you thought navigating the thousands of available cryptocurrencies was confusing, prepare to have your mind blown by NFTs. These one-of-a-kind digital assets number in the millions, offering their buyers ownership of digital content, such as images, videos, and music. To learn all about NFTs, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about how to invest in NFTs. So be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on an amazing opportunity to win a giveaway of a $25 crypto coin of your choice. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. NFTs stand for Non-Fungible Tokens, which have rapidly become ubiquitous in the world of crypto. But why is this feature of non-replicability prompting so many people serious about blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies to buy NFTs? NFTs are unique assets that authenticate digital ownership of something attached to the token. It could be an image, audio, video, a domain name. There are several possibilities. The Ethereum blockchain is the most used network for creating and selling NFTs and has made some of the most popular NFTs. While NFTs don't have any intrinsic value, their value is not determined by the company or artist that creates them. Like in cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens are worth only what people will pay for them. For instance, the hottest NFTs are digital art NFTs, with the most popular ones selling for millions of dollars. As of 2021, Christie's Art House sold one of the most expensive NFTs for the excellent price of $69.3 million. The artwork Every Day, the First 5,000 Days is a digital collage by artist Mike Winkelmann that encompasses digital works created over 13 years. This particular artwork resulted from people creating a piece of art online every day for 5,000 days straight, which was collaged into one NFT. It sold on March 11, 2021, and made headlines worldwide. But not all NFTs are digital artwork. In 2019, the NBA began working on the NBA Top Shot project in collaboration with Dapper Labs, which sells the greatest basketball moments as NFTs. Fans can purchase these short videos as NFTs trading cards. Recently, a LeBron James highlight sold for $210,000, but you can often find more common cards for less than $10. However, not all NFTs are as valuable, and inventors should carefully research the NFT and the community supporting it before they make any purchase. It's hard to put a price on NFTs, just like it's hard to pin down a monetary value on a baseball card at the bat of an eye. Arguing about the intrinsic value of something is difficult, even in the real world. The most expensive NFT collection is, as mentioned, CryptoPunks. They first came out in 2017 and are arguably the first popular NFT collection. At the time of minting, these digital artworks were being given away for free. All users need to connect their digital wallet via a website and cover the ether gas fees to own one. For the most part, the value of NFTs is determined simply by what the market will bear. If you buy one as an investment, you're essentially betting that someone will eventually be willing to buy it from you for more than what you paid. There are other ways that an NFT can carry value, however. Beyond the innovation of digital scarcity, some believe NFTs can potentially change the relationship between creators and consumers of content. Because NFTs are built on digital smart contracts, which execute automatically when certain conditions are met, an artist could create a provision giving them a cut of the proceeds if their NFT changed hands again. On the other hand, a buyer who supports a struggling creator with an NFT purchase could potentially secure a share of future earnings from other projects. Creators have experimented with building other value propositions into NFTs. For instance, entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk's VFriends NFTs come with free passage into his VCon business conference. Now that you understand the basics of NFTs and how they came around, let's address the most important question: how to invest in NFTs. Buying an NFT is the easy part, but learning how to invest in NFTs involves a lot of research and time spent observing the community of the projects. Many boxes need to be checked, but in the end, you'll want to look for NFT projects that generate excitement and with an active and supportive community. NFT investments can be extremely risky due to the overall volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Another unforeseen issue is that an NFT collection can become less valuable over time due to a vulnerable community and the general lack of liquidity in the NFT markets. There's always a risk of not finding a buyer for your NFTs. That would mean you will not make a profit from that NFT. So these are the factors you need to keep in check when it comes to NFTs. Properties of the NFT. NFTs often come in the form of collections. Consider Mechaverse or Bored Ape Yacht Club. These NFT collections consist of individual avatar NFT artworks, all of which have different properties. Sometimes more properties equal a higher value, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes the simpler avatars are most valuable, such as the basic Bored Ape NFT. Checking the properties of an NFT is also a great way to confirm that it's legitimate. Many scam accounts upload copies of popular NFTs, but cannot replicate the properties. So keep an eye on this section as a safety measure too. Check the NFT's community on social media. One of the most important aspects of an NFT project is the community that supports it. In simpler terms, if the project has many fans, then reselling the NFTs is higher. That's why it's vital to check the project's social media channels to make sure they have a legit community. Like most cryptocurrency projects, NFT projects have Twitter accounts and Discord channels. They use these to post news related to their project. It's important to find projects with medium-sized Twitter communities. Also, engagement is another essential aspect. Since most projects buy bot accounts to fake an online community, you'd want to make sure this is not the case with your chosen project. Make sure the accounts that interact with them belong to real people. This might be a time-consuming task, but you will be able to spot legit accounts more easily as you check more projects. Transaction fees. When you exchange crypto, buy an NFT, or perform a similar function on a market platform, you're often charged a transaction fee. The same goes for traditional e-commerce sites like eBay and Depop, but these fees vary depending on the platform. NFT liquidity and market volume. NFTs don't have the same liquidity as crypto coins, which is important to keep in mind. You cannot liquidate an NFT into traditional currency nearly as quickly as you can with cryptocurrency, so this may become a problem for those investing in an NFT for a profit. Some experts suggest fractionalizing your NFTs to increase their liquidity rates, which essentially involves splitting your NFT into smaller parts. On top of liquidity, it's essential to consider the market volume of the NFT industry. At the time of writing, NFT market volume stands at around $10 billion, and the rise or fall of this number is heavily dependent on the type of NFTs being purchased regularly. The price performance. If you want to confirm whether or not your chosen NFT is a good investment, it's always a good idea to check the seller's account. Here, you can look at their previous sales and find out what price their pieces are selling for. You can then scroll down on the table and check how much the same NFT sold for a few weeks or months ago. The bottom end of the value range is the floor price, which is the minimum price the NFTs are trading for. This will allow you to get a good idea of how the NFT prices are fluctuating and whether it correlates with what you'd like to see in your chosen NFT in the future. Other platforms offer these kinds of insights, as well as additional stats that you might not be able to access on the marketplace. While you can certainly make huge profits from buying and selling NFTs, there's a myriad of mistakes you can make while making purchasing decisions. Cyber criminals are taking advantage of the NFT industry in major ways, and some NFTs aren't worth buying. So make sure you consider each of the factors above before completing that transaction. Well, guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on NFTs? Do you think NFTs are the future? Let us know in the comment section down below. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.